Merchize is currently offering 2 custom shape hologram ornament products with 2 different effects, broken glass and starry. Apart from the different hologram effect, these 2 products are similar. So, you can use the templates for these 2 products interchangeably. Go to merchize.com. You can find the custom shape broken glass hologram ornament or custom shape broken glass hologram ornament using the search box. On the product page, under the template and mockup tab, you can find the link to download the template and mockup file for custom shape hologram ornament. There are 2 template versions, one for 3.5, 4, and 5 inch, another for 6, 8, 10, and 12 inch. Select and download the template that matches your ornament size. Go to photop.com, drag and drop the template to Photop workspace. The 2 template options have different template dimensions, to make sure the designs are properly scaled across the size range. However, the layout and the design process of these 2 are similar. For this video tutorial, we will use with the template for 3, 5, 4, and 5 inch sizes. You can also apply the similar process with the other template. This ornament is custom shape and printed on both sides. So we will have 3 sections, one for the cut shape design, one for the front print design and another for back print design. Double-click on the design layer to open Smart Object in a new tab. On this new tab, place your design for your ornament. Your design must be placed inside the safe print area. When it's done, save Smart Object and close the tab. Back to our template, turn on Design Artwork Group. Now, you can see that the cut shape design as well as the front and back print designs are automatically generated. The back print design is the reverse of the original design you have just created, so if your design include text elements, you must edit the text on the back print design section to make it readable. Now, I will edit this text to make it readable. Lastly, don't forget to add a hole in your design. Let's reopen the Smart Object for our design. Now, add a hole to this design. Make sure that the hole's diameter is at least 30 px. Also, don't place your hole too close to the edge of your design. It should be at least 30 px away from the edge. When it's done, save Smart Object and close the tab. The hole will be automatically generated on all 3 sections. When you have done with your design, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers. All sections are completed with new designs. Now you can save and export files for printing. On Photop, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. On our template and mockup link, open Mockup folder. Now you can download the PSD file to create your own mockup. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photop. On the Layers panel, find the Artworks group. Inside, you'll see 2 layers for 2 types of templates. Pick one that matches your design style and double-click on it to open the Smart Object in a new tab. On the new tab, turn off the existing design layer and turn on the guide layer to see the full template. If you've already created a design separately, just drag and drop it here. Resize it to fit the template. Once you're happy with the placement, turn off all guide layers and press Ctrl+S, CMD-S on Mac to save it, then close this tab to return to the mockup file. Now, back in the main mockup file, you just need to turn on the group that matches your ornament size. Within each group, there are a few mockup options. Choose a mockup option and background that you like. You can select a mockup by turn on the eye icon of that group and turn off all other mockup options stacked above. You've successfully created a beautiful mockup for your custom shape hologram ornament. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. Now, export the file by going to File, Export, Save as PNG for the best quality. you have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.